Hi guys, welcome to Azure Content YouTube channel. This channel is basically created in order to help all the students or IT professionals who are willing to appear for Azure certification provided by Microsoft. So if you are a beginner or if you haven't yet explored Microsoft certification, then this playlist will be of great help for you. So we will first start our discussion with Azure Fundamental Certification, which is also called AZ900. Okay, so let's talk about eligibility criteria first. So who are the people who should look forward for appearing in this examination? So all the IT professionals who are already working in some kind of Azure platform, they can go for this examination. Or if you are willing to switch or your career in Azure cloud platform, then you can definitely start your certification journey with Azure fundamentals. Or if you are assigned to any of these listed roles, that is data engineer, data scientist, data security analyst, DevOps engineer, AI engineer, or Azure solution architect, then you can plan ahead and prepare for this certification. So how can you check that your role is meant for this certification or not? Is that you can go directly to the Microsoft website. I will show you that. You can go to the browser and type Microsoft AZ900. Okay, go to the first link provided here. There you can see this role option, right? So click on that and click on your assigned role. So in case if you're a data engineer, click on that. Okay, there you will see this certification option. Underneath that you will see this explore certification. Click on that. So according to Microsoft, this is what they are recommending us, that if you're a data engineer, this is the first certification you can start with, that is Azure Fundamentals. After that, you can go ahead and prepare for Azure Data Engineer Associate. So similarly, if any role out of this list, you can check what is the recommended certification that Microsoft is providing to you. Okay. So this is the way you can check for the eligibility criteria of any certification. Okay, and now what is the prerequisite for preparation of the certification is that you should have a foundational knowledge of cloud services. Okay, and also how these services are working in Azure platform. So by the cloud services provided by Azure, I mean the pricing model of Azure, the privacy statement or security compliances, or the other cloud services. Okay, so we will talk about all of those in details in our upcoming videos. So don't worry about it. So let's go ahead. So how to schedule this examination? So you can directly go to the official website provided by Microsoft and you can directly schedule the examination from there. Okay, so there are two kinds of ways through which you can schedule this examination. Either you will be getting a free voucher code which your company will be current organization will be providing you. You can directly use that voucher code and you don't have to pay anything for scheduling the exam. Or the other way is you have to use the paid service. Paid service means you have to pay for your certification first, and in case you will pass the certification, your company will provide you the reimbursement. Okay, these are the two ways. And there are two third parties which provide you the certification platform, which is the first one is Pearson VUE. Pearson VUE is generally for all the IT professionals who are already working or are associated with some organization. And the second one is Certiport. Certiport is for students or instructors. Okay, so let's go and practically see how to schedule our examination. Okay, so again you have to go to the browser and just type Microsoft AZ900. Okay, click on that first link. So same page we have arrived again, but now scroll down to see the scheduled examination section, scheduled exam. So now you will get the idea how much you have to pay for scheduling it with the paid service. Okay, if you are in based out of US, you have to pay $99. Okay, if In my case, I'm based out of India, so in my case, I have to pay 3,696 INR as of now. So as I told you, there are two providers, service providers who are providing you the platform for appearing in examination. So for non-students or IT professionals, the one you have to use is Pearson View. For students, you have to go for Certiport. So I will show you how to exploring this Pearson View one. So let's go ahead and click on this. So as you can see, while using this Microsoft document, you have to log in with one of your account. Okay, so it's better if you create your own personal Microsoft account or Outlook account, so that in case you want to see your past certification, it will be intact in future also. If you are using your company provided email ID, then in case you are switching your company and you go to the next company, you will not be able to see the previous company's email ID. You cannot use it because it will be deactivated. So in that case, you will not be able to see all the certification related details using that email ID because it is already deactivated. So it is better, it is recommended that you use a personal, you create your own Outlook account. If you don't have it, you just go ahead and create it, or a Microsoft account, and use that for scheduling certification, or reading through all of the documents in the Microsoft documents. You just sign in with your personal account and start reading it, so that your level will also increase here. Okay, everything we will talk about it in detail, don't worry about it. So now for scheduling the certification, I clicked on schedule with Pearson View, but I have already used this account, so I will try to show you how to this will not let me create a new certification, scheduling a certification, so I will use another account of mine so that I can show you how to do that. So once you click on schedule with Pearson View, you will appear on this page where you will get to see your dashboard and all the certification related information you have to provide here, like your name, address, your phone number, contact email address, all of these things. And now click on continue. I have already saved this information in this email ID, so it is already appearing for me, but you have to fill all of those details. Now you are asked to enter an email to check for discount. So if you are associated with any of the organization and that organization is providing you a discount coupon or discount for certification, then you can check here. Okay, so if you are associated with any of the, okay, or your company provided email ID, you have to provide here and you have to check. Okay, I'm just randomly giving any of the email ID, and you have to click this check eligibility. So if you are eligible to get discount, it will appear here. So this is the discount out of 3,000, how much, 3,396, how much you have to pay for it, and how much it will be, just sorry, how much it will be uh, skipping. Okay, so as you can see, there is no discount available for this user ID or this email ID. So I will just go ahead and schedule the exam. Okay, so on the next page, I can see where do you want to take your exam. So it is asking if you want to take the exam at test center or at your own desk, or you have a private access code. So I will go ahead with my own like home or office. Okay, so it is just giving you a reminder that you have to keep your computer ready, you have to have your testing space, you have to have your photo ID, and what they are expecting is that you have to log in into your system 30 minutes before your scheduled time. Okay, so these are the four things that you need to keep in mind. Okay, now click on next. So you land on this page after you click on next. That is, you have to accept all the terms and conditions. Just click on all the check boxes, don't skip any one of them, and click on next. Agree. Now you are asked that what will be your preferred language for exam. Okay, choose according to your convenience. I'm choosing English and clicking on next. So it is asking what is the language you prefer the proctor to speak. So they will assign you a proctor when you on the date of examination. So what do you want the proctor to speak in which language? You have to choose here. I'm clicking on English and then clicking on next. Now they are asking you out of all these available slots, which you can see all the highlighted ones. Out of all of these, which slot, which date you want your exam to be scheduled on. So I will try to schedule it on one of this weekend. Let's go ahead with 28th of August. And now you see they're asking you on which time format you want your time to be displayed. Okay, either it will be 12 hours format or 24 hours format. So let's go ahead with 12-hour format. These are the slots available. Okay, you can see all of these slots are morning slots and these are the afternoon slots. I don't find this as per my convenience. You can change your date. Okay, so if you go ahead with 21st, see there is no afternoon slots. Okay, so uh, check with your convenience what is good for you and accordingly schedule it. There is no morning slots any day, sorry, night slots. So on 26th of August I find my night slot, so I will go ahead and schedule it at 10 p.m. maybe. Once you click on that time, you will see the payment details that you have to make. This is the price that they originally showed, that is 3,696, and when you have you will be going to check out, you will be uh, shown additional tax amount. So in total you have to pay 4,361. Now click on proceed to checkout. So see, this is the payment page you have landed on. Just make a payment, no issues. Make a payment if you are going with the paid service and click on next. Your exam will be scheduled. So once you schedule the exam, you will get an email, a confirmation mail that your exam is scheduled. So you will get an email like this that will be a confirmation of your scheduled exam. Okay, and you will get a link like this, which will be useful for testing your system. Okay, let's talk about that in detail. What is the next step? Yeah, so what you have to prepare is, these are the sections that you have to prepare for. So the first one is cloud concept, which carries the weightage of 20 to 25%. The second one is Azure services. Okay, so it has 15 to 20%, and then core solution and management tools on Azure, which is of 10 to 15% weightage. The next one is, sorry, general security and network security features. Its weightage is 10 to 15%, and then identity governance, privacy and compliance features, which is again of more weightage like cloud concept. This is also of 20 to 25% weightage, and then Azure pricing and support section, which is of 10 to 15% weightage. Okay, so mainly these two are the main focus area: cloud concept and governance policies. Okay, now how to prepare. So what I found useful was Microsoft official document, which I will show you how to go through that. So on the landing page of AZ900, uh, you can scroll further down and you can see what are the what already we have covered. These are the skills measured concept you have to go through for preparation of examination. And there are two ways in the Microsoft documentation. They have provided two ways to prepare. First one is free online version, which will provide you the learning path for each of the sections. So see, there are five parts that you have to cover. Okay, so go through each of the documents one by one. Okay, you can directly go ahead and start reading all of the documents. And once you start reading this level that you see here, this will go up, this will increase. Okay, now it is 600, but once I complete this page, it will increase something. Like if I complete this unit, this level will increase. See, this 100 point got added to my ID. So this was one of the ways. That was a free version. Now the second one is instructor led paid version. So here uh, you have to make a payment in order to attend the virtual sessions provided by the instructor. Okay, so see, all of these dates it is available. You can directly go and register for yourself and start attending that virtual session. Okay, these are the preparation method provided by Microsoft. Now, what other content I found useful was one of the channels by ran by Adam Magzak. If you search in the YouTube with his name, you will get a content for AZ900 preparation. Just go through that. I found that very useful. Um, yeah, the other one is once you are done with these preparations, go ahead and try to enroll yourself in any of the practice tests for AZ900. Um, for example, Udemy or WizLabs. If you have any idea of other providers, then please mention it in the comment section also, so that other viewers will be finding that useful. And then just please go through the expected questions. Okay, so we will discuss about the expected questions in details in upcoming sessions of the video. Okay, yeah, so let's talk about the assessment format. On the date of examination, what will be the process you will be facing and you have to deal with. Okay, so there will be 37 questions on the original paper. There will be 37 questions, and the total marks of all those questions, the total marks of the whole certification will be of 1000 marks, and out of which the passing marks is 700. Okay, so there is no negative marking, so you can go ahead and attempt all the questions because there is uh, no negative marking. Okay, now let's talk about on the day of examination what you have to do. First thing is, please try to log in before 30 minutes of your scheduled time. Okay, because there are lots of things that you have to do before the exam. Okay, first thing, test your system, which you have to test your microphone, sound and webcam are working perfectly or not, along with your network. So you don't have to do it manually. You go to that email which is provided by Microsoft when you registered for the examination. Okay, so this confirmation mail that we got after registering for examination or scheduling the exam, go to that. Here in the below you will see this test your system link. Click on this. Once you click on this, you will get an access code. Just copy this. Okay, and now the second step is download OnView app. So once you download it, I already have downloaded it, so I have it open in my system. So once you open it, you have to provide that access code, and keep in mind that this access code will change every time you open this link. So once you schedule this exam, if you are opening this link and copying this access code and keeping it somewhere so that you will use the same while giving the exam, so don't do that. On the day of exam, click on this link again and generate a new access code and use that, because the earlier one might be expiring. Okay, and also on the day of exam, make sure that this app that you have downloaded, okay, so this is up to date, this is updated version that they have provided. Okay, how will you check that is just on the day of exam, try to run that, or maybe download this again so that you check the updated version is there in your system or not. Okay, now click on, yeah, provide this access code and click on next. So once I clicked on next, I'm getting these three testing options. One is microphone test, and there you have to click on start microphone check. Click on this. They will ask you to speak aloud 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you speak that, they will ensure that your microphone is working properly or not. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they have detected that it is working properly. Now the speaker, they will play a sound. When you click on this, they will ask you if you are able to hear the music or not. In my case, I am able to hear the music. So I click on yes. Then the webcam check. Just click on webcam and start your camera. They have found that it is working. Now click on next. Now they are checking if your network is strong enough to handle all the exam sections. Okay, like you have to the exam will be scheduled for around 90 minutes, so this network should be strong enough to take the exam. So see, this network connection test is successful. In case this fails for you, so don't give up at the first attempt, just retry it many times. Even if it takes more time and you cross your 30 minutes uh, before scheduled time, so don't worry about it. You will get a customer care number in Google. If you search for your location wise customer care of PSMU, you will get a support number and they will reschedule the exam if you want. Okay, now click on next. So see, they are downloading your exam files. So I mean, uh, see this, I'm getting this error. Why? Because there are lots of apps that is open in my system, right? So in order to in order to pass this exam simulation, you have to ensure that none of the apps are currently in open condition in your system. If you even have one of the browser open, or if you even have your settings open, nothing will work after this section. So just go to the task manager and close all your apps which are in running condition except this on view application. Okay, so this is criteria. So just make sure that. And now because I cannot close all the apps now, if everything will be good for you, you can go ahead in the next option. And what will happen is once you test all of these, you will get a test space verification. Okay, which is nothing but you will get a mobile I mean a link which you have to copy in your mobile, and in your handset or mobile set you have to or maybe manually you can go ahead in the browser and type this link, and there you have to click pictures of your test space. There's all the four directions, like behind the system you have to click a picture, left side of the system, in front of the system, and the right side of the system. You have to upload all of those pictures in this website, and also you have to connect to the proctor. After doing that, once you finish this one, keep your mobile aside, keep it away from you so that you do not have a reach of it. And after that, just wait for your turn. You will be uh, in a virtual queue. You will be set in a virtual queue, after which the proctor will be greeting you, and they will check if you are ready to go ahead for your exam or not. Okay, they will check your government ID proof. Okay, and you have to keep your headphone and your mobile phone aside. Okay, so that you do not reach to that to your mobile. And then once you finish all of those uh, test verification, test space verification, just start your assessment. Okay, so once you finish the assessment, you will also receive an email. And if you clear the exam, okay, once you complete your exam, you will get an email like this. Congratulations email. You'll get a notification that you have completed it. And also you can view your exam certification in the official website uh, within 48 hours. Okay, so again you have to go into this website and go to your profile. Go to certification option, go to certification dashboard. So you land on this page where you can see these options. View certificate is the place where you will see your certificates, which you can download from here. Okay, so see, you have to check this. There is one certificate available, and this is the date on which it is commenced. And now click on this PDF, and you will be able to download the certificate. Meanwhile, this is downloading. I will go ahead and show other options where you can see your scorecard. So see, this certificate is also downloaded. Now in the provider option, if you remember, we have uh, used a Pearson view as the provider. So select that and click on go. And let's open this zip folder. See, this certificate is available for you to share. Even you can share in your LinkedIn profile or show it to your colleagues or managers. So now once I clicked on that Pearson option and opened that, here I can see my dashboard, Pearson dashboard, and here you can we can see the exam report. Okay, the scorecard also you can see. Even though after exam you will be able to see your score, but here also you will be able to see the score report. So here you can see uh, what is the passing score and what score you have got, and what are the sections where you what is your which is your strength area and which is your weak area. Okay, so see these are 100% scored one, and these are more than 80%, and this is less than 80%. So we can focus on this one. Okay, we have to focus on the less strengthened one. And even you can compare it with the other candidates also. So these are the areas which is strength, which is a strength for you, and this one is comparable with the other candidates, and this one is also strength. Okay, so this is how you will see your certification details in your Outlook, with your Outlook credential. Okay, so make sure that you schedule with your personal ID, so that all of these things you can see at one place. Okay, so this is what I had to discuss about the examination, certification examination. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like this channel, like this video, and subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned. for the next upcoming videos. Thank you so much.